We've talked about the many uses of cover crops in rotation for management of moisture, for building soil health like aggregates and maintaining soil biological communities. One benefit that's not directly related to soil health is weed suppression. So in this field, we interseeded about 40 pounds of cereal rye into corn last year at tasseling. We left some check strips of no rye to be able to evaluate this system. Cereal rye is a winter annual, so it overwintered and grew this spring. And then we came in with soybean and seeded into the living cereal rye. The rye was then terminated with a full rate of glyphosate immediately after seeding, and no pre-emerge chemicals were applied to this field. Now that we've moved over to a strip where we didn't have cereal rye, you can see a huge difference in the number of weeds and the size of the weeds. We're consistently finding 10 times the weed biomass when rye is not part of the system versus when we have rye and we plant a soybean into the living rye. So what's happening here? Cereal rye suppresses weeds through both competition and also an allelopathic effect, which means natural chemicals leak out of the rye roots and helps to manage the weeds. This chemical is not harmful to a broadleaf legume like soybean, but it can hurt corn yields. So at NDSU, we only recommend planting soybean into a living cereal rye, not corn and never wheat. When determining your weed management program, consider adding cover crops for suppression of weeds. You can get more information on this in the Soil Health Minute in Ag Week magazine. You can also go to the NDSU Soil Health webpage.